How to see who liked you on Badoo. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see who liked you on the Badoo app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open the Badoo app, and in the bottom middle you will see the likes section. So tap on it, and here you will see who liked you. But to actually see who liked you, you have to purchase one of these plans, plus or premium. The plus one, you will get all of these features, and in the premium one you will get the feature to see who liked you, and it is also cheaper than the plus version. So if you want to buy premium, tap on premium and then here tap on upgrade from USD $0.99. Now here select lifetime, 6 months, 3 months or 1 month or 1 week or 1 day. So after you have selected, here select through which payment method you want to pay, credit card, PayPal or Google Pay. So after you have selected the method of payment and for how much time you want, tap on continue, and it will take you to the payment page. Fill in all the details and tap on pay. So this is how you can see who liked you on Badoo. Thanks for watching.